I want to show you in this video how to enable or disable extensions on Google Chrome. It's fairly easy to do, so I'll go ahead and show you what to do. What you're going to do is click on these three little dots on the upper right of your screen, and that's the menu button. And then you can go all the way down to where it says More Tools, and then you want to go all the way down to where it says Extensions. And then of course it's going to show all your available extensions that you have. And only thing you have to do, let's say for example if I want to disable or enable ad block, I'll just click on it, and that's it. If I just want to remove it altogether, I could just remove it, and that's pretty much it. And of course you can hit it to enable it. Alright, I appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button.